From the depths of the landfill, a stunning transformation, proving that yesterday's trash can be tomorrow's luxury.
The fresh load is dumped directly onto the main pile, where it will be sorted before beginning the recycling process. This massive industrial shredder is the heart of the operation, capable of processing thousands of pounds of plastic every hour.
The agitation process is crucial for removing contaminants from the plastic flakes before they can be recycled.
Here in the Quality Control Lab, the polymer samples undergo rigorous testing to ensure durability and consistency.
The melt flow index test is crucial for determining the viscosity of the polymer. By measuring the flow rate under precise conditions,
Inside this massive structure, we modify the plastics, adding the crucial elements that define their final use.
utilizing a high-frequency vibrating feeder, the system accurately measures the granules, ensuring consistent quality control across the production line. The precise measurement of these additives, including the black pigment and reinforcing agents, is critical to the final material properties of the plastic batch.
This is the twin screw extruder, the very heart of the plastic transformation process. It runs at incredible temperatures.
As we track along the barrel, the colored indicators reveal the precise temperature zones required for extrusion.
Precision is key as the multi-bladed rotor shears the polymer into uniform pellets, essential for the next stage of manufacturing.
Here we see the finished product, high-quality, automotive-grade plastic pellets. The uniformity and glossy finish are critical indicators of their quality.
According to the schematic, we should adjust the injection pressure.
All right, I'll monitor the flow rate at cavity 7.
The injection molding process begins as the robotic arm precisely loads the clear plastic pellets into the heated hopper. Using advanced fluid dynamics, the simulation reveals how the viscous material fills the complex geometry of the mold.
The cooling cycle complete, the massive hydraulic press slowly retracts, revealing the newly formed component.
Once molded, the panel is quickly removed by the automated system, ensuring consistency across the production line.
Ensuring zero defects is paramount. Every dashboard undergoes meticulous scrutiny using advanced. By touching thousands of points across the dashboard, the CMM builds a precise 3D map, flagging any deviations from the original design.
The gloss meter provides a precise digital readout, guaranteeing consistency across the production line.
The green laser beam precisely etches the VIN and part codes. This permanent marking is crucial for traceability coding throughout the vehicle's lifespan.
In this brightly lit assembly area, the robotic arm precisely installs the chrome trim.
Built from high-strength steel and finished with an obsidian gloss, the vehicle redefines the relationship between industrial power and elegant design.